Welcome to Smeg at Home. I'm Steve from the sales team, and I'm going to show you a great feature we have in our ovens for both safety and convenience. These are our telescopic slides or runners, and they're used to easily and safely slide your baking trays in and out of your oven. They fit into your oven side rails by simply snapping on over these 4 hooks. Let me show you how simple they are to install. You have a double run of slides. The 4 hooks go over the top rail and simply snap into place. Your Smeg baking tray has been designed perfectly to fit on your telescopic runner. You have 2 holes at the front of your tray which will slide easily onto your telescopic runner and lock into place with your 2 pins. Your tray won't tilt and there is no risk of it sliding out. Imagine your perfect leg of lamb you can now slide out of your oven without the interference of burning your arm and being able to perfectly baste that roast. This simple addition makes cooking in a Smeg oven so much easier and safer. If you have any other appliance questions, please leave a comment below. See you next time for Smeg at Home.